Okay, we have a box today. It's really big. It doesn't even fit in the shot. But the box is not super interesting, so let's just get right into it. What is in the box? Well, it's a device. It is not a bag. Although the device might be in a bag, but the bag is not the point. The box is not the point. I thought it might be interesting to open this box on camera, because I haven't done that before. Look at that. You talk about waste. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? It's ridiculous. All of that for this. All right. Now, now you know what it is. It is another box, as in matter of fact. This was a special open box deal I got from Best Buy. This is not a super new high-end device. This is a pre-loved device that was returned, but I wanted to get it because one of the things that you'll discover about me is that I really like pen-enabled devices. I've been into pen computing since, I don't know, since Palm, when they had the little stylus. But I was really into Pocket PC, actually even more than Palm. And I had all of those PDAs with the little styluses, and I loved them. And when the iPhone first went to capacitive, I was one of those people who was like, oh, but a stylus is actually more precise than your big greasy finger. But yeah, that didn't go out very well, did it? But things have come around, and people are excited about pens and styluses again, and even Apple has one. So there was something good there. But this was a deal. Less than $200 for this returned, pre-loved Chromebook Duet 3. This is not the 2024 edition. This is the previous gen. But for less than $200, I'm like, hey, I get to try out another stylus technology. So there's the keyboard and the back panel. More bags. There's always more bags than you want. Let's see what else is in the box. This was open box excellent, I think. Look, it comes with the USI pen. No, does it? Are they playing with me? Well, look at that. And some paperwork. A charger. Whoa, 30-watt charger. Cable somebody just jammed back in there because that's what you do when you're returning it. You want to make it look pretty. Nice USB-C cable, not braided or anything, just a standard cable. Not very long either. It's, I don't know, what is that? 2 feet, probably 3 feet maybe. Okay. So we got a box. Anything else in here? Doesn't look like there's anything else in here now. I'm tearing up this box. All right. That came in something. Oh, yeah. I'll put that back in here. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Then this must be the main deal. Duet. That looks like a very, honestly, dirty, but we'll clean it up. It's got all the stickers on it still. It looks pretty good though. So we've got pogo pins on the bottom for the keyboard. We've got, see, this is why I love non-Android tablets sometimes. You got a USB-C port here, and you got a USB-C port here. How great is that? I love extra ports. And then we got, looks like volume on the top and power on the side. Okay, it is a very tall, yeah, it's a tablet, guys. And it's kind of dirty. But I really wanted to get this to try out, like I said, USI stylus. I think this is just a container. Yeah, they're playing with me. This is for the keyboard to fit in here. Yeah, yay. Never fear though, because I have one that I picked up myself. This came off Amazon. It is supposedly a USI Active Stylus 2.0. So I am going to try that out. That was the whole idea behind this tablet, is to get a nice little tablet, USI pen, try out the technology, get back into Chrome OS and Linux. Should be a good time. And we will see what happens. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.